Alright guys, it's been a while, but I figured I would do a quick video of what we got going on. My car's down because I'm waiting for another computer because the one I got was defective and it's broken now, so it's making the car not even want to start. So that's the first thing. Second thing, we got her almost ready for paint. There's a few little spots I've got to repair and adjust, like adjust the doors and stuff like that. We just painted the hood hot rod black. That's the only black part that's going to be on the car. The rest of the car will be B7 blue. Can't wait. We just got done finishing the plate that went on the shaker bubble for the Cuda, and windshield is in. Cuda bubble is in. Now I just got to clean it, sand it, not sand it, I'm sorry. Clean it and buff it is what I'm saying. And just tweak everything here and there. But she's looking good. Can't wait to take her for a ride. Hopefully soon. Alright guys, like and subscribe, and we're going to try to show you more stuff as we go along. So I will be talking to you.